When most people think about Imo State, they probably picture its nightlife or its rich culture. But what if I told you that behind the headlines, one of the Southeast's biggest infrastructure transformations is quietly taking shape? From a massive free trade zone designed to attract industries to a digital city aimed at preparing young people for the future, new hospitals, modern conference facilities, and major road infrastructures, Imo State is undergoing changes that many Nigerians have not seen. Today, we're exploring 6 mega projects that are reshaping Imo State. Let's get into it. Before we continue, here is a quick favor. If you enjoy discovering the side of Nigeria that really makes the headlines, tap the like button now. It tells YouTube to recommend this documentary to more people who love learning about Nigeria's development. And if you are new here, subscribe because every day we explore the country's biggest infrastructure projects, hidden places, and untold stories. Now let's begin. At number 1, we have the Orashi Special Energy Free Trade Zone. Our first stop is one of the most ambitious projects in Imo State, the Orashi Special Energy Free Trade Zone. This project is planned as an industrial and commercial hub designed to attract investment into manufacturing, logistics, energy, and export-oriented businesses. Free trade zone often offers incentives that encourages companies to establish operations, creating employment opportunities and boosting local economic activity. If fully developed and occupied, this project could position Imo as a more competitive destination for both local and international investors. Two, Imo Digital City. The future isn't about roads and buildings, it's also about technology. That is where the Imo Digital City comes in. The project aims to create an environment that supports innovation, digital skills, entrepreneurship, and technology-driven businesses. As more young Nigerians move into software development, artificial intelligence, cybersecurity, and remote work, projects like this could help prepare the next generations for rapid changing economy. 3. Emmanuel Iwuanyanwu International Conference Center. Large conference centers are more than architectural landmarks. They attract business meetings, exhibitions, cultural events, government functions, and international conferences. The Emmanuel Iwuanyanwu International Conference Center is designed to become one of Imo's prime event destinations. Facilities like this can stimulate tourism while supporting hotels, restaurants, transportation providers, and other local businesses. Four, Imo State Specialist Hospital. Healthcare remains one of the most important investments any government can make. The ongoing renovation of the Imo State Specialist Hospital aims to improve healthcare infrastructure and provide residents with better medical services. Modern medical facilities can reduce the need for patients to travel long distance for specialized treatment while improving healthcare delivery within the state. 5. Concorde Hilton Hotel. For decades, the Concorde Hotel has been one of the most recognizable landmarks. Its innovation represents more than restoring an old building. It's about reviewing a symbol of hospitality and positioning Owerri to attract conferences, tourists, and business travelers. A vibrant hospitality industry creates jobs across multiple sectors while strengthening the local economy. Six, the Assumpta Flyover. One of the most flexible projects in Owerri is the Assumpta Flyover. As traffic increases with urban growth, modern transport infrastructure becomes increasingly important. Flyovers help improve traffic flow, reduce congestion at busy intersections, and support more efficiency movement across the city. While no single project solves every transportation challenge, projects like this are intended to improve mobility as the city continues to expand. After seeing these projects, one thing becomes clear: Imo isn't investing in just one area. The state is really focusing on transportation, healthcare, hospitality, technology, industrial development, and business infrastructure. The long-term success of these projects will ultimately depend on completion, effective management, maintenance, and how much economic activity they can generate. But they certainly provide a glimpse into the direction the state hopes to take. Now I would love to hear from you. Which of these projects impressed you the most? Do you think Imo is becoming one of the fastest developing states in southeastern Nigeria? Or is this still lagging behind in some ways? Share your thoughts in the comment section. I would love to hear your opinion. If you enjoyed this documentary, don't forget to like this video, subscribe, turn on post notification, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.